my towns have often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt only grew my self-contempt. No peace around, 12th time around, wallowing in mirth. What was it worth? Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing when you've fallen deep below, underneath the roots that grow. There comes a point where you must choose. Will I win or will I lose? Will I hold on to what no longer serves me, or will I heed the call that deserves me? Free thoughts aloud, time to be proud. No cops around, freedom abound. Glossing over, I've been a pushover, but now I'm a drover, I'm a rover, an obstacle crossover. A challenge pushes you on. How you know you have a one? Disidentify from your mind. Transcendent you will find. Transcendent you will find.
Not long ago, good love was hard to find. Not long ago, we were the losing kind. Won't hang our head in sorrow the way we done before, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for. Time goes slow when you're up all through the night. Through darkness we'll go to greet the morning light. Won't waste away tomorrow, we're stepping out the door, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for. No sad goodbyes or lonely cries, we've heard them all before. Yes, you're the one that I've been searching for. searching for. Now you don't have to worry, I'm yours forevermore, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reapers Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who even know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall. Who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses